Hello guys, welcome to Domizile Tech. So today I will be teaching you how to create WhatsApp sticker using your photos. So join me, make sure you like, subscribe and comment after watching the video. Thank you. Click on the sticker icon, then select create sticker. After selecting it, click on use a photo. It will take you to your gallery. Then select the photo of your choice. Click on it. Then it will load out for you to crop it out or send the full picture. So in this case, I selected full picture. Then click on send. So that is it. That's how you create your WhatsApp sticker using your photo. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you find it helpful. Drop your comment if you face any issue or you want to ask question, then share the video to your friends.